Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go. Like we have seen before, you can either import objects from the DIALux catalog. Here you have, go to objects, you have home furniture, office furniture, sanitary, shop design, outdoor planning, street planning, and some additions. You have quite a lot of objects here. Their design is not the best. They are very simple, like you can see here. Still, they are gonna help you in the 3D modeling, because the objective in DIALux evo is not to make everything as realistic as possible. DIALux is a software that is made for lighting. If your goal is 3D modeling, then you can go to other softwares like SketchUp or something like that. The second option is to import ready 3D objects like these two here. Well, not two. We have the bed, we have the plant, we have these side tables. And the third option is to make them yourself. And that's what we are going to do with the curtain. To create any 3D objects in DIALux evo, you need to know what to do. In furniture and objects, here, you need to know how to play with these shapes and also the copy and arrange. To make a curtain, it's easy. We need a hollow half cylinder like this. Then we will copy it, rotate it, and make something like that. Then we will copy both and make something like that. It's like waves that we're gonna make, and then they will look like a curtain. Follow me. First, go to Furniture and Objects, click on Select, choose Vertical Cylinder. These are the properties of this cylinder. We have the height, the diameter, and the segments. So as for the segments, let's make that as high as possible. For you to understand the segments first, they are actually the segments that compose our cylinder. For you to understand, let's make the segments 6, for example. That's how the cylinder becomes. We have that, and if we choose another, we change the number of segments, which make them 10. The cylinder would look like this. If we go for a higher number of segments, let's make them 20. It's becoming more and more like a smooth shape of a cylinder. Out of this cylinder, you can make a rectangle by inserting 4 segments, and it becomes this. We can even make kind of a pyramid by inserting 3 segments. It's like this. It's a triangle in 2D, but in 3D it's like this. But I will delete all these. I will clear the history, to delete the unused objects, or click on vertical cylinder. The highest number of segments here in furniture and objects, when it comes to most of these objects here, wherever we have like a cylindrical or a spherical shape, the highest number of segments is 64. If we go for 100, it goes down to 64. So I will bring this one, or before I bring it, I will change the height 3 meters. The diameter, it's gonna be like 0.1. Then I drag and drop it, or I place individual object. Let's drag and drop it like this. Let's bring it to this side of the room. It should be a hollow half cylinder. So to do that, I will copy and paste this one. I will make it a little bit smaller. I will make it 0.09 centimeters. Same for here, 0.09. And now I need to go to copy and arrange, then go to intersection, well, subtract. I need to subtract this small cylinder from this big one. So I will have a hollow cylinder. Here in the subtract Boolean operation, the red one is the one that stays and the blue one is the one that goes. So if I click, for example, on vertical cylinder 10, then this blue one is going to go and this one is going to stay, but I want the opposite. Then I click on subtract, and now I have a hollow cylinder. Now it's a hollow cylinder. I should now go to 2D. I want only half of the cylinder. There are plenty of ways to do that, but I will show you an easy way to do it. Go to Furniture and Objects again. You choose a cube. You change its dimensions. Let's make that 0.15, for example. The length 0.15 again. And then the height, let's make it 3. Then you bring it here. You pick the center. You bring it to the center. You're going to feel it like when it sticks to the center. Then you copy and paste that one. You pick this point. Then you hover over this line here. When you get to the middle, it sticks to it. Then we stay there. We delete the first one. We select both of these objects. You go back to copy and arrange. Then you stay in subtract. Like we have explained before, that red one is the one that stays, and I click on subtract, and I have a hollow half cylinder. Now what I should do is I will click on this. I will go back to Furniture and Object. I will Control C, Control V it. Then I will rotate it 180 degrees. Then I will bring it here. I want it to look like one object, like this. Now I have this wave. Then I will copy and paste it. Copy, paste. Like this. Oh well, I need to move it to the right a little bit. Good. Copy and paste again. Copy and paste. Good. Then I can do the same on this side. There are a lot of ways to do that, but this is the easiest way, especially if you are a beginner. This is meant to be an easy way to make a curtain. Well, I think that's good. If I go to 3D view, it would look like this. Looks like a real curtain. I will now select all of these hollow half cylinders. I will go back to copy and arrange. I will go to combine. I will combine them. So now they are one object. I will I will move them till they touch this wall. I will copy and paste them. I will bring them to the left. I can scale them. Now that they are combined, I can scale them. I can like make this curtain small like that, and I think this looks a bit realistic. It's not that bad. I can add something that holds the curtain here, and it will be in the room elements in beam. I will create a beam somewhere here. So I will make it like a beam of, I will start here. I will make it a beam of 4 centimeters. Then I will move it down here. And as for this beam, I want it to start from 4 centimeters from the wall. So I will copy, paste that one. I will move it here. Now this distance is 4 centimeters. I will delete the first one. As for the dimensions of this one, I will make its height 0, because if we go to 3D, we'll see, you'll have this. It goes 1 meter down. I want only like 0.04, only 4 centimeters. Then I should bring the curtain down for 4 centimeters by scaling it like this. Same for this one here. I bring it down and voila, I have my curtain. I forgot to move the curtains so that they are aligned with this thing they are attached to. So I will move them down here. Now this would look good. This just lacks some textures, but before going to textures, we are going to create a painting here.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.